Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 official Samsung cases has been leaked, which show us a new design of the upcoming Z Fold 3. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be coming with a 25 watt of fast charging support inside. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, over the past few weeks we have seen that Galaxy Z Flip 3 several times. Many renders of the foldables are out and about, which give us a decent idea about what it has in store for us. Now 91 Mobiles has posted a fresh images of soon to be released foldable protective case. Anyway, the pink case will be coming with a D-ring on it. This will make it easy to clip the phone onto your backpack or tie it with some cords. We are not sure that's good an idea, but however we have the option to have right now. The next one is going to be pretty interesting. It has a belt and a metal loop. Look at how the belt goes around the hinge, which wonders if you will be able to open the Galaxy Z Flip 3 by pulling on the belt loop. If nothing else, the navy blue plus orange color combo looks pretty great. And the last case is going to be a clear case. It's a bit harder to see, but this is also coming with a D-ring too, which appears to be something of a theme for the official cases. There appears to be a cutout at the back for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 secondary display along with a rectangular notch of sort. The case also reveals the positioning of the power and the volume rocker, which will be located at the right spin. Because of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 dual rail camera, it sits alongside with the secondary display, so there is no need to make accommodation for them. The LED flashlight on the other hand peeks through a hole. One of the cases is expected to be made of leather while the other one will use a silicone. The leather case looks pretty fine. As a reminder, Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be the first water-resistant foldable with an IPX8 rating. Of course, the case have nothing to do with that, but we are curious to see how the hinges that made it possible. Moving forward, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 seemingly has a 25 watt of charging capability after all. So guys, this leak has been arrived from China's 3C database, which give us a detail that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be coming with a 25 watt of charging. This means that Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be upgraded from 15 watt of charging up to 25 watt. The 3C application confirms that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be supported both the 25 watt and 15 watt of charging, though it's important to keep in mind that 3C certification does not guarantee that phone will be shipping with a 25 watt of charger in the box. It's likely accompanied by 15 watt of charger for cost saving purpose, while Samsung will give a customer the option of buying 25 watt charger separately, as it has done with some other Samsung devices. So all in all, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is expected to sport a dual battery with a combo capability of 3300 mAh. It's coming with a Snapdragon 888 5nm chipset and more demanding 120Hz of display, which means that battery life probably won't be anything to write home about. Once again, same as original model. Now, the upcoming charging speed from 15 to 25 watt would obviously not improve battery life on a single charge, but it would make a recharging the 3300 mAh battery a much faster process. So guys, all in all, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will definitely going to be a device which is more going to be on a selling point, just because the reason it's coming with a great specification, and also it's going to be having the lower price than their last year model. So definitely most of the people will be considering to buy the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the new cases that has been leaked? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here.